Hello and welcome to another render update. Yeah, render was requested by our members. Some of you might know it as part of our gold membership. You guys can vote and basically determine what kind of content and which kind of coins I'm looking at, right? So for example, we've got this poll system on the Discord server and render with 15% of all coins requested. Definitely one of the leaders here, yeah. Obviously, all the other ones, which are just a number of coins, smaller volume. But render 15%, definitely one of the winners here, one of the more popular coins. So if you're interested in voting, determining which coins are being updated in our gold membership, but also on YouTube, make sure that you vote there. On Discord, render, as I said, is one of them. So here you go. This is one of the updates based on our request poll. And what we're dealing with here is a 5-wave move up. Okay, so those of you who followed the last video updates, I've covered render quite frequently recently, know that this here was a 5-wave move. So we're watching for an ABC pullback or sideways consolidation, rather, the way this looks. And it might have completed indeed a wave 2 and could now be rallying higher in a 3rd wave rally. I expect this structure to change, but for now I'm tracking here for a 5-wave move to the upside. We'll see how it comes together. This is the white scenario. So again, I can call it wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-wave move. It fulfilled all Elliott wave guidelines. Nice 5-wave move. The corrective pullback was then further confirmation that it wants to go higher, because 5 waves up alone are not confirmation enough that the price is turning around, because it could just be part of a wider corrective rally or something. But if we get 5 waves up and 3 waves down, well, that is a good signal, right? So I'm tracking now a 3rd wave rally to the upside. In this 3rd wave, I'm tracking another 1-2 setup. So this here could just be another wave 1 in wave 3. And as long as we're now holding above $4.26 to $4.75, focus can be on higher. But there is zero signal, zero sign of a pullback. But the support area is already defined between 426 and 475. So should we get any pullback from here, like a wave 2 pullback, it is absolutely possible then that it's finding support in this region. But it can still stretch a little higher. So let's put some resistances on the chart. So to add some resistances, we choose the Fibonacci extension tool. We measure from the low of the wave 1, go to the top of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2. And then two relevant levels that really matter are the 38.2 and the 61.8 extension levels. Yeah, so these are the ones. So this here is a key spot from where it could obviously start that wave 2 pullback. Is the 38.2 extension, so extension levels, yeah. If it goes any higher than this, it will likely reach the $6 mark. That would be the next level to watch, okay? So, but somewhere in this region, ideally, the wave 2 would start. Now, let's also talk about the yellow count. Yellow count allows for a more extended 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this is also possible that we're just working on a larger 5-wave move. This is difficult to determine based on the nanostructure of this chart. I'd say both are reasonable. We just need to see if the market in the pullback, when it starts, hasn't started yet, can hold above the $4.26 level or not. So $4.26 is the pivot between the yellow and the white scenarios. More important is that both are actually quite bullish at the moment, okay? So these are both bullish scenarios. The question is just, do we rather get a shallow pullback, white count, or deep pullback, yellow? You've got all the levels there to watch. I might actually have to adjust the lower support area. Hold on. Slightly, yeah. So lower support is between $2.94 and $3.98. So it's just something to watch there. If we get a deeper pullback, then it should hold $2.94. So upper support area, 426. As long as we hold above that level, there's no sign of the yellow count and the larger wave 2, yeah. Only below $4.26, this will become clearer. That's the update on render. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.